Welcome to the Tru-Color Paint YouTube channel. I am Dr. Martin Cohen, one of the co-owners of Tru-Color Paint. My role here at Tru-Color Paint is Director of Research and Development, Quality Control, and the primary customer contact. I prepare the color formulations for production and schedule their production. I also develop the colors based on color samples received from a variety of sources, such as color chips obtained from the actual railroads, experts in their field and historical societies, color fan decks and books that the automobile manufacturers provide to their dealerships, and the governmental standards for all modern U.S., British, and German military equipment. Tru-Color Paint is an organic solvent-based paint that uses an acrylic polymer to bind our finely ground pigments onto the models being painted. There is a blend of 6 to 12 solvents and additives used in the manufacture of all of our paints. Nearly 90% of all the Tru-Color Paint product lines are designed to be sprayed directly from the bottle at 25 to 35 psi using a medium tip on the airbrush. The adhesion of our paints to plastic, metal, and wood models is the industry standard. Recent developments have seen the addition of color paint specifically formulated for 3D printed and cast resin models and parts. While we have only a limited number of these special paints currently available, more will be developed as demand grows for products for this segment of the market. Some of our future videos will include how and why to use Tru-Color Paint on your models, the chemistry of Tru-Color Paint, use of our spray can products for painting and finishing a model, a detailed build of 2 F4 F3 Wildcats painted in the pre-war era aboard the aircraft carriers USS Ranger and Wasp, demonstrations of painting color chips and spoons which we use for marketing purposes, the building and painting of 3D printed models supplied by Vargas scale models and also by NAFTA scale models, using our masking paper for multicolor applications, and other videos showing the diversity of Tru-Color Paint used on other models and in camouflage. Once again, I would like to thank you for viewing our introduction to Tru-Color Paint, and I'll be seeing you in future videos on Tru-Color Paint's YouTube channel.